Hi, I'm Priyal Garg. The company on which we have our case study is Harley Davidson, and the group members are Shreyas, Nikhil, Nikita, and Chandu. I'm going to give you a small introduction of the company. Harley Davidson Motors Company was founded in 1903 by William Harley, Arthur Davidson, Walter Davidson, and William Davidson. The company's scope of the brand spans the globe, and it has production facilities in US, Brazil, and India. The company of Harley-Davidson involves the design, manufacture, and sale of wide variety of exclusive and customizable bikes, as well as excellent motorcycle components, hardware, riding equipment, and clothing.
Thank you, Priyal. Hi, my name is Ratnalu Nikhil Chaudhary, and I am going to explain you the situational SWOT analysis of Harley-Davidson. Strengths: strong brand image. The company's motorcycle highlights the traditional model, shape, exclusive audio, and excellent support that can be tailored to your needs, which allow them to gain more customers. Wide distribution network, a network of local merchants, market vehicles. The organization registers 1,535 individual distributors worldwide at the end of October 2018. Good product category, quality design and development. According to Harley-Davidson, there are currently 34 different versions of motorcycles for buyers to select from. In addition, Harley also sells certain service items such as garments and shoes. Weaknesses: reliance on third party suppliers. Harley relies on external supplies to procure raw materials and to provide various components for use in the production of its motorcycles. In certain situations, the organizations depend on the sole manufacturer to fulfill all the conditions of certain item, and a change in the organization supply chain partnership would also disrupt in the company's development schedule. Too much risk involved in high debt. The firm announced a raise in its leverage in FY 2018. Increased debt thus makes business more vulnerable to loss, increased borrowing rates, and limit to ability to secure better terms. As of FY 2018, Harley's overall debt rose by USD 6,988 million in 8% to USD 7,599.2 million in the previous year. Opportunities: new strategic initiatives could help in business expansion. The company announced a debt rise in FY 2018. Increased debt therefore renders enterprise more vulnerable risk to raise interest costs, reduce its ability to seek favorable terms. Harley-Davidson can redefine the brand position in order to obtain more target audience. Harley-Davidson has been under pressure since 2009 to turn to a new younger generation of drivers, since true drivers, i.e. 40 years old or older, who make up the traditional customer base of the company, have aged and declined in number. Harley-Davidson has been attempting to create a more diverse consumer base. Harley-Davidson has been attempting to create a more diverse consumer base in the United States by recruiting more females, African Americans, women, by recruiting more baby boomers, and threats. Changes in American political behavior, the end of US membership in the TPP talks, which bad news for the Harley-Davidson. For instance, in Malaysia, the TPP could secure millions of Harley-Davidson dollars by cutting, if not eliminating, trade barriers. According to the ITC, import duties of Harley-Davidson motorcycles were high in Thailand and were 100% in India. Competition from substitutes, with many more companies in the heavier category moving worldwide, such as Royal Enfield, Indian Bikes, Vector Motorbikes, Triumph Motorbikes. Such low cost alternatives will have an impact on Harley's overall market. Thank you.
The problem faced by the company were the attempts by Harley Davidson to penetrate the Asian market were in vain as the US withdrew from the TPP. It would make the organization facing a massive tax challenge if Harley Davidson persists on participating. Furthermore, if Harley Davidson depends on US market based on SWOT research, US labor costs would reduce the income of Ford. Although Harley Davidson is a multinational corporation, hence its biggest challenges were government policies in the company expansion and development, such as anti pollution policies, cost millions of dollars per year, and the tweet of a US president also contributed to massive loss in sales in a very short time. According to the review and study of the market tactical partnership, it can be found that the sector is facing an economic situation with both excess production and decrease profits.
Identifying alternatives. Market penetration and market development. Problems identified. Harley Davidson should zero in on advertising their image more in the Asian business sectors as the shares of Harley Davidson are declining in the Asian market. Harley Davidson essentially promotes its image with old age grown ups with an old fashioned still, which causes the younger age to have no interest in Harley. The price of the motorcycle is way too high for anyone to purchase, and it is an old classic bike which many young generations do not prefer to buy. Alternatives identified. Harley should manufacture bikes that are not just meant to ride on highways but can also be used as daily transportation with lightweight material. Except if a cruiser can be utilized as a vehicle in city, millennials have no interest and cannot stand to purchase Harley Davidson. They should begin advancing their vision with youth. Harley should start manufacturing bikes with a low cost price and for youth. Product diversification. Problems identified. Harley Davidson ought to make new items or item runs for new business sectors. They face pointless challenges that can hurt the clients. Alternatives identified. Utilizing this technique, Harley can make new items in new business sectors. There must be a thoughtful exploration of the most recent product offering and the market they are presenting the product. Local partnerships in India. Problems identified. Harley Davidson shut its market in India because of declining sales. India is the most important center for cruises, so closing its market in India may bring about a huge misfortune for the organization. Alternatives identified. Harley Davidson should tie up with nearby motorcycle brands in India, for example, Bajaj and TVS engines. Many motorcycle brands like Triumph and KTM have a local partnership with Bajaj and TVS Motors, respectively. Having a tie up with local brands assists Harley with extending its market and make benefits in India also. Social media. Problems identified. Harley Davidson does not have a proper advertising in social media about the brand specifications, and they are not active on fundamental Facebook and Twitter pages. Alternatives identified. The Harley Davidson Facebook page must be created. Regardless of whether the fundamental page of the brand is far reaching, it could be applicable to deal with a few pages of Harley Davidson nation by nation. It exists, for example, the pages of France, Germany, and United Kingdom, which are three critical business sectors in Europe. Similarly, Harley should create one page for India and be active on it about its new launches. We can see something very similar about the records on Twitter. The primary page of the brand is in vogue and dynamic, yet the another one as Harley Davidson France or Harley Davidson UK, for instance, are less active. The initial step is to make more known these pages close by the populace in India to arrive at the Indian market. Besides, they can focus on more youthful crowd with this technique, which is one focus on the development procedure of the brand.
Thank you, Nikita. Hello everyone, I'm Shreyas Rajkumar. Now I'll be discussing about evaluation of alternatives. Our first alternative is market penetration. As my teammate discussed here, the primary activity would be redesigning and reducing the price of the product based on culture, lifestyle, and economy of different markets. The success criteria considered here is market share and profitability. Because if we analyze the facts, Harley-Davidson is continuously losing its market share from 2015, which means a huge loss of revenue, and in first half of 2020, company has lost almost 22% of its global sales. Next, to discuss about the benefits of this strategy, it helps us to adjust price. Means when a firm aims to increase sales, lowering price is an effective tactic to attract potential customers. Further, this strategy also helps us to establish wide distribution channels and reduce cost with the reduction in price. But to implement this strategy, company requires a huge initial investment, and also it reduces average industry price. and finally lose some of the customers who only opt for high priced bikes. In our next alternative, product diversification, the key strategy is horizontal product diversification, that is, introducing new bikes in all variants. The factors considered here is that since Harley Davidson customers are getting old, companies should start to concentrate and attract upcoming young customers by introducing new off-road bikes, sports bikes, and electric bikes, which will attract young bikers and also lessen the burden of emission restriction in many countries. Further, the success criteria considered here is market share and impact on competitors and customers. Next, with this strategy, company will have a constant sustainable growth and minimize risk, which means if any one variant fails in the market, then there would be many other variants to save company from losing its market share. But as similar to our previous strategy, product diversification also requires high initial investment, and the lack of experience in other segments would cause a major disadvantage for the company. And finally, there is no guarantee that the new products will succeed in the market. As we have seen in our problem statement, exit from Indian market is a major problem faced by Harley Davidson. Hence, establishing a local partnership in India would be an effective strategy. Here, the key activity is to merge with native companies in India such as Mahindra and Bajaj. Next, the success criteria is to gain market share and increase profitability of the firm. Further, to discuss the benefits, implementing this strategy would reduce the legal and political burden in the country. As to see the facts, Harley Davidson was paying 100% tax on its bikes in India, and partnership will also increase the investment of the company. To discuss the demerits, such as profit has to be shared between the organization, and there is a lot of cultural differences as USA and India have a complete opposite culture. The last alternative is social media marketing. Here, the primary activity is to market the product using social media apps such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. The key facts considered here is to attract young customers as we discussed above, and the success criteria is to earn more profit with less cost and have a huge impact on competitors and customers. Further, to discuss the benefits, this strategy is cost efficient and can create global brand awareness of the product in a very short time and have a regular feedback to improve performance of the company. But the major disadvantage is that the company could lose control over the activities in some point of time and spoil its reputation. The best example for this is how Trump's tweet affected company's share values. Now my friend Chandu will continue the presentation.
Recommendations. Based on the analysis of alternatives, the market penetration strategy can be implemented by Harley Davidson market team. This strategy defines how much a product is being sold relative to the total estimated market for the product, expressed as a percentage. This intensive strategy is a fundamental methodology that promotes the company's proceeded with development. By advertising, web-based media campaigns, and direct deals outreach attempts to possibility of undiscovered market portions. Harley Davidson should lower its prices by manufacturing budget-free bikes. Harley should acquire a competitor in a local market by making partnership in the local market, which leads to the sustainable market share. By remapping digital marketing and creating a roadmap to increase brand awareness, in this generation, social media is the primary source of marketing. Engagers live in it, and considering the demands of customers and manufacturing or modifying the products can develop the market share. And by developing new products to attract new customers. Harley can employ product diversification as a secondary alternative strategy. Through introducing a new category of bikes like adventure tourers and super sports and participating in sports events. Harley Davidson should invest more in research and development department, which helps the company to invent a new stream of bikes, and investing into new manufacturing plants to create sustainable production. In the current situation, we recommend market penetration strategy helps to relaunch or redesign Harley's existing product. But product diversification costs more and more time is taken to introduce a new product, which is not liable for Harley Davidson in the present situation. Thank you.